Now let us discuss the methods of preparation related to alcohols. So when we study the method of preparation related to alcohols, the first one is from alkenes. So this particular alkenes has a mechanism. So this mechanism is very much important, which has been asked many times for 3 marks. Now first let us discuss the general reaction. So here preparation of alcohols from alkenes, or else it can also be asked as acid catalyzed mechanism. It can also be asked as acid catalyzed mechanism for hydration of alkenes. Both are same. They can directly ask it as write the mechanism for the preparation of alcohol from alkenes, or else they can also ask the question as explain the acid catalyzed mechanism for the hydration of alkenes. So basically when we study with this concept, first we should know the general reaction. So when we try to explain the general reaction can be explained as, so you know this structure, this is called as propene. So this can be explained as when propene, acid catalyzed mechanism, hydration of alkenes. Hydration means what? Addition of water. When the water is added in the presence of an catalyst, and here the catalyst is what? Acid, that is nothing but sulfuric acid, or it can also be written as H plus ion. When propene is added with water in the presence of sulfuric acid, here it is an unsymmetrical alkene, because when I break this alkene, the two halves are entirely different. It is nothing but unsymmetrical alkene. So when the alkene is unsymmetrical in its nature, the addition of water to alkene follows a rule called as Markovnikov's rule. So according to Markovnikov's rule, water will be added to alkene. So we know that water ionizes as H plus and OH minus ion. So this, according to Markovnikov's rule, we know that the negative part, that is OH, will bind to a carbon having less number of hydrogen. So this OH will bind to this carbon. Migration of electron takes on this carbon. This particular carbon becomes negative. Negatively charged carbon will take H plus. Hence the product will be CH3 CHOH and single bond CH3, where the product is called as what? 2-propanol. 2-propanol is the product. Means when propene is involved in a reaction, when it is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of sulfuric acid, we are going to get 2-propanol as the major product, which follows Markovnikov's addition. Now let us discuss the mechanism for this. So when we go through with the mechanism for the addition of water to alkene in the presence of an acid, this mechanism readily takes place in 3 steps. So first step, the first step is nothing but generation of electrophile. So here we have to generate an electrophile first. So the first step can be called as generation of electrophile. Now a question comes, how this electrophile is generated? The electrophile is generated by the ionization of what? Sulfuric acid. We know that this sulfuric acid ionizes as 2H plus ions as well as a sulfate ion. And here, along with this sulfuric acid, we know that water molecule is also added, where this water molecule can be represented as HOH. This water molecule takes one proton that has been given by sulfuric acid to form an ion called as hydronium ion. So this is nothing but hydronium ion, which can also be called as H3O plus, hydronium ion or H3O plus. Now This hydronium ion is the positively charged species which is an electrophile which attacks on unsymmetrical alkene. Now I will write an unsymmetrical alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2, which is an unsymmetrical alkene. This respective unsymmetrical alkene which is involved in a reaction will bind with what? Hydronium ion. So this is the structural representation of an hydronium ion. Here, when this particular hydronium ion reacts with propene or an alkene, here water molecule gets eliminated, which can be explained as, here there is a pi electron. This pi electron will pull away the hydrogen in the form of a proton. This electron is again given back to oxygen, where we are going to get H2O. Along with this H2O, we get CH3CH single bond CH3, because this pi electron is taking away the proton and this particular carbon becomes positively charged. Since the carbon is substituted by two alkyl groups, this is called as a 2-degree carbocation. So this is the first step, which is nothing but the generation of electrophile. Now second step. The second step tells that attack of water molecule on secondary carbocation is the second step. Now let us analyze with the second step. When we study with second step, the second step can be analyzed as step 2. This second step can be analyzed as attack of, it can be analyzed as attack of water on secondary carbocation, or else we can also tell it as, or it can also be called as nucleophilic. It can also be called as nucleophilic attack. It can also be called as nucleophilic attack by water on secondary carbocation. So here, when I consider a secondary carbocation, so this is the structure of secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation will attack by water, which is a nucleophile, because it has two sets of lone pair of electrons, where one set of lone pair will directly attack to positively charged carbon, which can be represented as CH3 CH. This is again CH3. This carbon is linked by what? A water molecule. Since this oxygen has donated one set of lone pair of electrons, now there exists a positive charge on oxygen, which is called as protonated alcohol. Now a question comes, why it is called as protonated alcohol? If it was only OH, I can call it as alcohol. Since there exists one more hydrogen extra attached to oxygen, hence it is called as protonated alcohol. Now the final step, step 3. Step 3 explains that loss of proton, because our major aim is to get what? Alcohol. But here there is one extra hydrogen present. So in step 3, this extra hydrogen has to be removed. Hence it is called as loss of proton from protonated alcohol. Means the protonated alcohol loses a proton. So which can be represented as, now let us consider a protonated alcohol. This is the structural representation of a protonated alcohol. So this particular protonated alcohol will react with what? Water molecule. Because initially what we have used? Initially we have used an hydronium ion. Again I have to get it back. So this particular lone pair of electron pulls away what? One of the hydrogen which is present in protonated alcohol. Now this electron is again retransferred to oxygen, because here oxygen is positively charged. Now what we are going to get? We are going to get CH3CH, again CH3OH, which is nothing but what? 2-propanol. So along with the 2-propanol, so this H2O is dragging away the proton. The byproduct will be again an hydronium ion. So this is the complete mechanism in which an alkene can be converted into an alcohol and its mechanism. Thank you.